Hi everyone, today we are making healthy momos using wheat flour and a delicious vegetable stuffing. It's easy, nutritious and super tasty. Let's get started. Ingredients for stuffing: we are using beans, onion, tomato, green chili, carrot. So need to finely chopped. So once chopped, so heat some oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Toss in all the chopped vegetables. Saute them well in the oil. Don't add water. Let them cook in the oil itself.
And add curry and garam masala to it.
Once cooked, sprinkle fresh coriander leaves and set the stuffing aside to cool. Now we are going to making the momos. So prepare wheat flour duff just like chapati duff. Roll out small thin circles smaller than regular chapatis. Place the vegetable stuffing in the center and fold the edges as shown in the video. Place the momos in an idli steamer and steam them for 15 minutes. Yeah, that's it guys. Now your healthy momos is now ready to enjoy. Perfect with some chutney or as a snacks.